There's something classic yet carefree about a bohemian look, and I have fashion expert Jennifer here with me to show us just how to pull it all together. So thanks for being with me, Jennifer.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I always love the looks you have. So start me off.
Okay, so I think with bohemian fashion, you really need to add a lot of texture.
Oh, so it's okay to do that. You can layer it up.
Absolutely. The more layers, the more different textures, the more different fabrics that you choose, it really gives it that bohemian look.
Okay, so the whole bohemian style is that carefree feeling, right?
Absolutely. You want it really carefree, really easy. You know, it's just throwing on the pieces that you love and mixing and matching together.
I love it. So that natural confidence in what you're wearing comes through.
Absolutely, yes.
Okay, so what do you love about this look? Because I love the entire thing.
I really love, again, the texture. I think florals is a really beautiful trend and a beautiful way to do the bohemian look.
And you're seeing florals all across the board in fashion, in interior design.
Absolutely. And when you choose florals that are a little bit more of a muted color, like we have a really pretty wine color here, that also gives it more of that bohemian look rather than that preppy look.
Okay.
So you like those more muted colors and it works really beautifully.
That romper style is really adorable.
It's super cute, yeah. It's really loose and flowy and free.
And that's what a bohemian style is, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
So when you're bohemian, you definitely want to think about comfort. So when you're pairing a pair of shoes with it, I think it's really great to do a nice flat, something comfortable, or also maybe like a leather bootie, a flat leather bootie. It would look really great with that look.
A shoe you can picture yourself like living in all day,
Absolutely,
right?
yeah. You want to be comfortable, you want to be easy, free, easygoing for sure.
Okay, now this cover up is really cute. It almost looks lacy.
It is lacy. I know lace isn't as much of a traditional bohemian fabric, but when you pair it with some like beautiful florals and other accessories that are more bohemian styled, it really gives it a lot of texture.
And the cut of it too.
Yeah, it's really interesting to pair something that's longer with something that's shorter. Again, mixing and matching those different looks.
I like this. To me, I could see like touring around a tropical destination wearing
Absolutely,
this.
yes. And that's my other trick for bohemian fashion. It's definitely to take your travels with you. So picking up different pieces. This purse here is actually from Guatemala.
That's amazing. So you're not only helping a local artisan there, you're getting a
Yes.
really cool piece for yourself.
For sure, yeah. And it's gonna be something that nobody else has as well.
I like it, yeah, because you can't just go to a big box store and find
Exactly.
that, right?
It's super unique.
I like those little puff details on the purse. It's so cute.
I know, it's so adorable, hey?
Now talk to me about the jewelry and this hat, because I've never been overly confident wearing a hat.
Oh no, you just need to find a hat that really fits your face shape.
Okay.
I think if you're going for a bohemian inspired look, a wool hat is really great. Or also a really nice fedora is also a beautiful look.
Fedora, nice. And then I see a really bold piece of jewelry here.
It is really bold, yeah. With bohemian looks, you can either choose to layer lots of different pieces or go with one really big statement piece.
Excellent. Stay with us, guys. Don't go anywhere. We're going to be right back.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.